Good morning, fellow traders. Bubba here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left off of the market yesterday. So SPX ended up, doing okay, right? So we ended up having a green day, giving us a green month right here. So making a nice push right there back to the Bollinger Band. We had a good push up here on the weekly chart, right? So we're trying to invalidate this this bearish engulfing week candle, and right now we're an inside week, so we got a couple trading days left to try to do it, and it's pretty encouraging here that if this wave 4 is done, that we're working on this wave 5 up. So I like how we're back over the ADMA. Keep an eye on it. We have had two pretty strong days in a row. We might get a little bit of a pause day today, might start to see some chop. We're seeing some tight levels here on the ES, which we'll look at in a little bit. But, this could be the start of wave 1. We might see a little wave 2, and then we'll see potentially a bigger wave 3 up. So just kind of keep an eye on it and look at the price action and see what where it points us to today. The SPY here this morning, again, just kind of grinding its way up here. So basically just chopping right now, but some major levels right here, potential support. As long as that holds, we could see some either choppy action or more upside. You can see here on the S&P futures, you can see our levels here. Again, lots of levels, right? So a lot of chop potential here today, unless we can get over the overnight highs and start to push there to the all-time highs. Otherwise, down below the single prints here, if we can get down below yesterday's single prints, right, we can see some sharp downside action. So a little bit of caution off of that going in today. In terms of the MES, what an upward trend line from overnight. Just from the last couple days, just incredible stuff. This thing's just been plowing its way up here and supporting our wave theory, right? So this is the first breakdown here this morning. So again, any confirmation below these levels here, basically the 38.25 to 38.20 zone. If we break down below there today, we might see some of yesterday's lows, things like that, and then below there, watch out, we could see the 3800 level. So a little bit of caution there going into today. So take a look at the Qs this morning. So grinding their way up there. We had Amazon earnings and Google earnings yesterday. So we'll see if they can hold up here above this channel. If we stay in the channel, right, generally things remain bullish. If we break down below there, look out below. IWM, again, a possible bull flag going into today. They seem to be liking the stimulus talk. So, again, we've been hearing a lot of talk on stimulus in the past, and when it goes through, right, they're worried about taxes, blah, blah, blah. So, we'll just see how it goes, see if it breaks out above this this channel here, this bull flag. And if it does, right, we might see some more upside action. If it doesn't, right, we break down, then we can test yesterday's lows. Let's take a look at the XLF. So XLF, again, ticked a little bit higher this morning, but it's kind of chopping around here. A really strong day yesterday, helping bolster the market, breaking out below a major geometric line right here. We may see some chop today if it wants to continue to hold up. Otherwise, look for a retest of the geometric line. Let's take a look at Apple this morning. So Apple, again, is kind of one of the more higher volume names here today. It's gapping up a little bit. So let's see if it can push. It's got some gaps above, gaps below that it could test. It was a really choppy day yesterday. But now that Amazon's reported, maybe things will get going again. So we've got that going on, and of course we got Tesla. So Tesla looks like it's trying to gap up here this morning too. So look if it can clear yesterday's highs and get going. So good stuff, guys. That's all for the free video here. The rest of the video is for Bubble Report subscribers and Elite Access members. So thanks again for tuning into the free video. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Till then, stay healthy out there. Remember, risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.